Hi guys, welcome to another episode of baking. In today's video, we will see how to make banana bread. This is very easy and most importantly, it is eggless. So let's get started. To start with, I am taking 2 medium-sized ripe bananas in a jar. Just roughly cut them and add it into your jar. Then add half a cup or 70 grams of sugar and half a cup or 70 grams of cold milk. The milk should be boiled and chill completely before you add it. And then make a fine puree of this. Now in a separate bowl, I am sifting all my dry ingredients together, to which I am adding 140 grams or 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is Maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Sift all of this together so that there is no lumps or any tiny particles in your mixture. Now in a separate bowl, add the prepared banana puree. Don't worry if the puree is not smooth. It's completely okay to have small chunks of banana left in it. To this, add 3 tablespoons of oil or butter. You can add whatever you like, and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And combine all the wet ingredients together using a whisk. Now I'll add all the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients in 2 parts. This is the first batch, and gently using the spatula, fold this in together. So once this has combined nicely, add the second batch of dry ingredients and also fold this in together till there are no lumps left. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. You can add this more or less depending on the consistency. Whisk all of this together and then add pecans, walnuts or raisins. Here I have chopped almonds with me. Also combine this in your batter. Fold them gently. Alright, so our batter is ready. And now I'll transfer this to a loaf pan or a bread pan. Now it is very important to grease your pan with oil or butter so that your bread or cake does not stick to the bottom. And then line it with a parchment paper and also grease it with oil. At the end, I'm adding some chopped almonds on top. You can add any other dry fruits that you have. Now this will go into my oven, which is preheated for 10 minutes, and then I'll bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 40 to 45 minutes. You can also bake this in Kadhai, for which I have given the instructions in the description box below. My bread is ready. It is really nice and golden brown on top, and the knife inserted into the center came out clean. Now let it cool completely and then scrape the sides of the pan to demold it. I really hope you guys like this banana bread as much as I do, and if you enjoyed watching this, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, happy baking. Ta-da!